Okay, let me get straight to it. Yes, the credit sweep still works. Even if the FTC is down, even if you saw the shutdown post, even if the website says services unavailable, I need you to understand something. The power of this strategy was never just about the FTC. It's about structuring, it's about timing, and most importantly, it's about execution. So in this video, I'm gonna break down why the sweep still works, how the shutdown impacts certain people, and exactly what you should be doing to move forward with confidence. Okay. Here's why people are freaking out. The FTC's identity theft reporting system is currently marked as unavailable due to the 2025 government shutdown. That means if you try to file a new FTC affidavit through their site, well, you're probably gonna hit a wall. No confirmation, no upload, no affidavit ID. So now folks are like, does this mean the sweep won't work, or should I wait until the government reopens? Listen, this is where I need you to shift your mindset. The sweep isn't dead. It never was. Why? Because the sweep process itself isn't dependent on one agency. It's built on a multi-layer structure, and that structure is still intact. See, this is where people, they miss the bigger picture. The sweep was never designed just to delete. It was designed to reset. You're rebuilding the integrity of your credit identity. Whether FTC is open or not, that doesn't change the mission. You're still creating a cleaner foundation, removing noise, and giving yourself room to grow, okay? And once that foundation is clean, that's when you can start layering new data, rent reporting, primaries, secured cards, new age accounts, etc., right? That's the phase where control shifts back into your hands so you don't have to get distracted by temporary shutdowns and things like that. Focus on structure, focus on your rebuild, because even if the government slows down, your momentum shouldn't. The credit sweep is based on the FCRA 605B statute. This gives you the legal right to request deletions of accounts tied to fraud or identity theft. But listen, the FTC is not the only way to report identity theft. It's just one option. Here's what still works. You can still submit supporting docs through the mail. You can still send 605B letters directly to the credit bureaus. And most importantly, you can still use oversight tools like the CFPB. Yes, everyone. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is still fully operational during this whole shutdown. That means if you build your sweep file properly, if you structure your package the right way, you can still send full complaints to the CFPB and get results in 4 to 7 days. And here's something else most people don't realize. Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, they are all for-profit businesses, right? They don't shut down just because the government does. They still have rules to follow. They still have deadlines to meet. They still have to process disputes, blocks, and formal identity claims. That's their job. They have to do that. So when you send them the right documentation, they're still required by law to respond, and they're still bound by the same deletion timeline under the 605B statute. So again, the sweep doesn't stop, not unless you stop executing. And here's something nobody tells you. Credit is a timing game. Some deletions happen in 4 days and some take a few weeks. That doesn't mean it failed. That means the system is processing. You don't plant a seed and dig it up every day just to check if it's growing. You water it, you let it breathe, you let time work in your favor, and when you move too fast, well, that's how you trigger red flags. When you move strategically, you build credibility. You need to understand that. So take this period, government shutdown and all, as your patience training. Because when you master waiting with intention, you'll start winning consistently. And while it's on my heart, while I'm thinking about it, let me speak directly to the people who just feel like waiting on perfect conditions is a thing. Nothing's perfect, guys. You're letting delays paralyze your power. Oh, I'm gonna wait until the site comes back up, or I'll start my sweep next month when everything stabilizes. Nah, that's not how you gotta think. You don't wait on the system, you move around the system. Because while you wait, lenders, they still deny. Bills still pile up. Opportunities slip away. You don't need permission to take your credit into your own hands, guys. If anything I'm saying today is resonating with you, if I'm speaking directly to you, you're ready to move forward right away, here's what I've got for you. You can grab my full sweep protocol ebook. It breaks down every step, includes every exact template, and it shows you how to properly structure your sweep for results. And if you're serious about long-term wins, I also have a private community. It's open for new members at the moment, and it comes with all 4 ebooks, access to daily credit and funding game, and the guidance you need to actually get results. I'm gonna hook you up with all that. Klarna and Zip options are also available if you need help breaking the price up, because I'm not here to gatekeep any of this information. I'm just here to guide. So I'll leave you with this. The government might be down, but your discipline better not be. That's all I'm gonna say, right? The sweep still works. The strategy still works. The structure still wins. You just need to have the right mindset.